How to contact Webflow support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Webflow support. So how do you contact Webflow support? It's very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard automatically. Then on this dashboard, by the top part of the screen, you'll see a menu, right, containing some tabs such as dashboard, marketplace, learn, resources. Just click on resources. Once you click on resources, a box will be displayed showcasing options as well, such as community, ebooks, forum, blog, support. Click on support. Once you click on support, you'll be directed to the support page. Now once you're on this page, you'll see a board writing showing you how can we help you today. Our support team is all around the globe and ready and excited to help. So just click on contact support. So once you click on contact support, you'll be brought to the get support page. Now on this page, you'll see another board writing showing you ready, get set, support, right? And then at the lower part, you'll see login, select workspace, select area, select topic, and browse solution. So yeah, next thing to do is to select a topic. Okay, that's exactly like you facing any. If it's any of this, you can just select it. If it's not, just type out your issue. Yeah, once you type it out, a solution will be displayed. And then if you cannot get a solution directly on that article, at the lower part of the article, a question will be asked that was this helpful. If not, contact us here. You just look at that contact us option, and then you either chat them live on the site, or you'll be asked to send your exact issue to Webflow's email address. So that is just how we can contact Webflow support. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.